I watched that.
Yeah, we're gonna let this lady go through there. Yep.
Nice day.
Rhonda.
Come on.
Right after this runner, you go straight. Hey, hold on a second. We'll let this lady go first. Go, Jay. Wait.
Almost there. Come on, Adam. Almost there. Kick it in. Come on. Push it. Push it. Go. Just up the hill. Just up a little. Push it. Just up a little.
Hey, Dan, go by already?
I haven't seen Dan at all.
Yeah, I saw you walk.
Did you see him out there?
I looked at them. It was good. Bring it. Bring it.
Yeah. Where are you from? I'm from here.
You just see him running, right?
Good job. Good job. Oh, yeah. Right, Colonel? Go, Colonel! Come on, you slow Paul. Get up here. Logan! What
What's this little guy doing?
Did you run? Where the hell? I didn't see you. Yeah? I was just looking for you. You want to take it?
Yeah.
Oh, let's wait for Mama.
I'm going to take it left on there.
Is it slippery on the feet? Is it slippery on the feet? I do not see what you shot and what you That was the time.
Good job, Amber!
Almost
I went through. Good workout, Amber. Good workout.
Good job, Amber. Don't go over. I'll keep it still.
Here, ready? You got it. Come on, push up. Push up. Let's go, Renee. Hey, come on, Chase, finish strong. Come on, let's go. Come on, come on.
Aaron, you're good. Right, just run. Because I said when I said military, we got a lot of sounds like
Come on, Denise! Oh, man. Go, Sam. Big kick.
Let's go, big country.
Nice beard.
So, whereas you used to be able to really kick it in the first mile, you saw guys, and now you have to have somebody that has to be all lined up before you can push yourself to that point. Yeah. So I think we, our runs were a little bit more pliable. You kick that first mile, it's painful. When you get started, all right, I'm going to try. Good job, guys.
Why? Because you didn't run it.
Standing with the boot.
Good kick, go, go.
Good job, guys. Good job, girl. Good job, Misty. Good run. Run, guys. Good job. Good job, guys. Nice finish. Run. Good job.
How did I miss you? You did it. I saw you.
Good job, guys. Good job. Nice finish. Nice finish. Good job. Good job, guys. Good run.
I thought about it. I thought about Yeah, Eloise! Woo!
Nice job.
Yeah. Oh, you got it. You're the best.
Nice run.
Woo! Keep going, keep going.
Nice job, guys. Nice job. Nice Good job. Gary, don't try to hide. I see you.
Might be a while. I do.
Almost done. Which is good because he's so much faster.
That's like a chocolate. Oh, miles close to the end, man? Yeah, we did a couple miles then, all right.
Well, no, he did a mile. No, he did a mile.
8 miles. The mile was right there.
Well, yeah, I mean, after a mile, then. Yeah, this is a little.
Good job.
Oh, I got like 3. I say so 21. Because this one is oh, this is like, I mean, she goes up to oh, I think we're standing in front of the camera. Nice job, you guys. You're almost there.
Oh, I jumped in right in front of somebody's camera.
That's what we did too. She was like that. No, she was like
Robert, take that because I'm going to run across the finish line.